what's going on, guys? Dawson Gold, back with another video. Today I'm at the McKenzie Court. And if you're wondering why it's the McKenzie Court, it's because if you go and watch Game of Horse with Dawson Gold, I say I'm doing the McKenzie Court shot, and I take the ball like this, and I just bang, make it. It's called the McKenzie Court shot because it's the first time I ever made that shot in my life. Was right here at this court. I'll visit this court all the time from now on. I love this court. I made this shot 16 times here and one in that video. So we're gonna keep that going. I'll do some other weird, crazy shot. And yeah. Bang! Boom!
Make the ground shake.
Boom! McKenzie Court. I was back there. Boom! Bang! McKenzie Court shot. Please subscribe. I'll see you next video. Peace out.